Want to cancel your Optimum Mobile plan? Good news. It's a straightforward process since it's a prepaid service with no long-term contracts. Optimum Mobile operates on a prepaid model, meaning there are no long-term contracts to worry about. This makes cancellation much simpler compared to traditional postpaid plans. You can cancel through the Optimum app or website by logging into your account at optimum.net/mobile, navigating to Manage Plan, and selecting Cancel. Alternatively, you can call 1-844-OP-MOBILE at 1-844-678-6624, but be aware that wait times can be long, especially during peak hours. Since there are no early termination fees for prepaid plans, canceling mid-billing cycle might leave prorated charges for unused services. In many cases, users can cancel plans instantly without needing to speak with a live agent. When canceling your Optimum Mobile plan, be aware of potential device-related fees. You might face a $50 to $100 restocking fee for device returns, depending on the condition of the device. For returns, devices must be returned within 14 to 30 days in their original packaging with all accessories included. Optimum provides prepaid UPS labels for easy returns. To port your number to a new carrier, get a port-out PIN from Optimum via the app or by calling customer service. Provide it to your new carrier within 30 days and ensure your account is paid in full to avoid delays. eSIM devices might need unlocking steps as per FCC rules. Remember to document all interactions, as some users have reported refund delays of 3 to 5 business days due to back-end processing.